The annual Consumer Electronics Show, CES in Las Vegas, has evolved beyond big screens and gadgets. It's a playground for tech and auto enthusiasts. Honda took center stage this year with its Zero Series electric vehicle concepts hitting the U.S. market in 2026. The sleek Saloon sedan maximizes passenger space while keeping a small footprint. The Space Hub elevates the minivan concept into an EV offering extra space and swiveling seats for a rolling lounge. Honda partnered with Sony at CES, unveiling the Afeela prototype, Sony's first dive into the automotive world. Imagine augmented reality displays with 3D graphics, from monsters on the road to underwater drives. You can even steer with a PlayStation controller. Kia also impressed with its platform beyond vehicle strategy, introducing 5 hyper-modular models for delivery, ride-hailing, and commercial work. In ICES 2024 shown, Volkswagen integrated chat into its IDA voice assistant. Mercedes upgraded MBUX virtual assistant with empathetic AI, and Intel introduced AI-infused systems on chips for autonomous monitoring. Looking ahead, VinFast's VIF 3, despite a rocky U.S. start, stands out. At under 10.5 feet, it's 2 feet shorter than the Fiat 500e, resembling a smart car. With off-road aesthetics and a 125-mile range, the VF3 might be the cutest and most affordable EV on the horizon. In essence, CES is no longer just a tech show. It's a thrilling glimpse into the future of cars and technology.